Hello, thanks so much for joining me, guys. I hope you're doing well. I have a quick haul from Joggles and Scrapbookcom, just really quick ones. Scrapbook.com, they were giving away this free stencil, which I always love a stencil. This is from the Crafter's Workshop, and it's a 6x6 flower, so this is great to throw on your gel plates. And two things I got from there was, number one, this butterfly, which is called With Thanks. And this is actually an older one from 2020. We all know that year. And it layers, and I just thought this would go really nice with when I do Maggie home projects. You can see it's got the main butterfly, the sort of tattered, florally, leafy, and then it has the two layering pieces. It has its body, and then the With Thanks. So I thought that was a really nice one. That's from Jen Long, and that's 664244. And then this is a newer one, I believe, with Elizabeth Craft Designs. And this is called Bookbox. So I do have Eileen Hall's scoreboard book box, which I'm going to be doing a video for that when I can get a moment, 10 minutes together. but this is an Elizabeth Craft Design one on a much smaller scale. And I thought that was really cute. So on one side here, you've got the box part that creates the inner box. Then you have some banners and labels and things. On this side, we have another banner that kind of scores right there to kind of lift it up a little bit. We have a lock and a key and some other little tags and layering pieces. And then the main sort of book part of it, so here's the spine, and then it folds on these two, and then I'm assuming these slip. There's like a little tab that will slip into the other side. So I'll have to do a video on that as well. And then that box fits in one of the sides and makes the book box. So looking forward to using that. Great way to present a gift card, or little treats or things, or embellishments, happy mail. So that was Scrapbook.com. Then I have a Joggles. I needed some stencils, and so I went ahead. She has a reasonable price on her stencils, and then the nice big ones. I did get one smaller one, but this is from Margaret Applin. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. This is a 6x9, and this one is called Bud Vines. And I really like that really open place where lots of pattern can fit in there. And then the rest are all these 9x12s from formats. So this one is from Paper Paintings by Elizabeth St. Hilaire. This one is called Mirror Mirror. And that is, make sure I don't get the glare there. See, this one is also by that artist, and it's called Tropical Blossoms. It's nice open spaces, which is great for gel printing. This one is from Karen Tamir, and this is called Crisscross Stones. I really liked those shapes within the shapes. So this would cover a nice big plate. Not that you have to use it on a big plate. You can just use a portion of it on a 6x6, say, and on cards and things. This one is called Raggedy Holes Mask. And this is just the Joggles one, but I really liked those sort of organic shapes. This is a mask. Oops. It's called Organic Dots Mask. And it's just that. Trying not to glare you too much. Sorry about that. This one is called Scribbled Circles Mask. This is a Joggles. This one is called Layered Blocks. That's really fun. Make a great different juxtapose themselves here. And then this is Scalloped Rose. I really like this one. They remind me of little turtles. I don't know why, but they're cute. So, quick haul there. I will leave links below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you are able to be in the loop for the next video coming. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.